Hi everyone and welcome to my channel and thanks for watching my first video. Today I'll be swatching these gel polishes I purchased from Rosalind. I bought these items from Shopee. So I got 4 sets of polishes. I got their whole line of jelly polishes. They're 12 bottles, a set of mini bottles, a 6-piece set in the shades of blue, and a 6-piece set in the shades of green. The boxes arrived a little bit banged up, but nonetheless, they were packaged nicely and very secure. I'm unpacking now and you can see what colors I chose. These are the greens and the blues. And then my favorite set, the 12 bottles of 7 ml minis. So yeah, I love this set. There we go. Those colors are just fabulous. And I'll be unpacking the jelly set, most of the jelly set offline because they're so hard to remove from their packaging. They were packaged individually in small pieces of plastic. And here's all the colors that I bought. So it's a total of 36 bottles. And the first that I'll be swatching is the jellies. So this first color is a milky white color. I'm doing these in 2 coats. Up next is the transparent black. We have a very pretty purple color next. I really like this one. Then this is a transparent light green color. This is good for those C-class nails. This color is orange. It's a transparent orange. If I were to use it, I will be probably actually using 4 coats, but for this video, I only did 3. The next color is a skyish blue color. It's a transparent color. Next, we have the 7th gel color, and this one is a transparent yellow. It's actually a very vibrant yellow. I did 3 coats for the yellow. This next color can be best described as a transparent red color. The next color is a cloudy blue or a milky blue color. So in the whole set of 12s, a couple of colors are in this shade. They're not completely transparent. Another one is G10. This one is a cloudy black, or maybe more appropriately can be called a smoky black color. Number 11 is a cloudy red one. This is one of my favorites in this set of 12s. The last color is a cloudy mint green. sort of color. So this is the whole set. I've put up on the screen what the colors actually look like versus what they look on their website. As you can see, they're more vibrant. The next set I'll be swatching is the 12-piece assorted 7 ml bottles. This is my favorite purchase of the whole bunch. I super love the combination of the colors in this set, and I'm excited to do some designs. I'll be swatching the colors on my sticker labels, and I did 2 coats for each color. As I was swatching these colors, I was pleasantly surprised on how vibrant they were. My favorites are the dark purple, magenta, sage, and that deep rose pink one. So these are all 12 colors. I'm doing a bit of a close-up for the colors. They're so very pretty. I'm putting on screen what the colors are, how they're being shown on their website. So much better in person. Up next, I'm swatching the 6 shades of blue that I got. So I got these blues out of all the choices because I was looking for a particular shade, and you never know what you're gonna get when you buy something online. So to be safe, I got the whole set instead of purchasing a single bottle. Now, what surprised me with this set was that it came with a jelly blue. So that's what on screen. So I think I should have done 3 coats for this particular color. It's a royal blue jelly one, but still, I'll find some use for it. Here are all 6 of the blues. The last 2 blues, they don't look like different from each other, but the last one is actually darker. So it's kind of hard to see on the camera. And now I'm showing you what they look like on their website and what they look like after I swatched them. The next is the last set that I purchased. It's the set of 6 shades of greens. I got greens because last Christmas I was doing my nails and I noticed I only had one bottle of super duper dark green, and I kind of figured, what the hey, I think I need like more greens. So I got this set. My favorite in this set is the color tea and the color olive, and I did 2 coats for each swatch. I did the second coat off cam. So here are all the 6 shades of greens. I did 2 coats for each shade. So there you go, guys. Like and subscribe my videos. Follow me on my social media channels. And thanks for watching. Have a nice day.